Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by powering down and pulling the dryer forward, safety first. Once done, inspect the vent end and measure the collar diameter so you choose the correct clamp size. Make sure the vent flange and duct are clean and free of lint. Compressed debris prevents a tight seal. Now position the vent hose over the dryer outlet, aligning ribs and ensuring no kinks. Tighten just enough to hold the hose in place while you prepare the clamp. Don't fully torque yet. You now center the clamp over the joint so its band sits on the metal collar, not on flexible ribs. That gives the best compression. Once positioned, use a screwdriver or nut driver to rotate the worm screw clockwise in small increments. Pause to press the hose onto the collar firmly and confirm the seal. Make sure the clamp band remains flat and perpendicular to the duct. If it tilts, back off and reseat. Continue tightening until the hose can no longer be rotated by hand. You finish by moving the dryer back into place, but avoid crushing the hose. Confirm the clamp clears contact points. Once done, plug in and run a short, hot cycle while watching the joint for air leaks or movement. If you detect vibration loosening, retighten to firm, snug, and consider a second clamp spaced 1-2 inches away for high vibration installations. If a leak persists, make sure the clamp sits on metal and replace with a larger or different style clamp. That usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.